This video demonstrates Royal Medical Solutions Sock Aid Kit. Both the sock on and sock off devices work with a wide range of hosiery. First, make yourself comfortable in a stable, seated position. Gently slide the sock over the end of the sock on. Hold the foam handles. Place the sock on in front of your foot on the floor, open side up. Insert your toes into the sock on and steadily pull both cords back toward you. To remove your sock, place the lanyard of the sock off on your wrist and grasp the handle. Insert the sock off between the top of your sock and your skin, keeping the hook on the outside of the sock. Gently slide the sock off down your leg, pushing the sock off your foot. That's all there is to it. Royal Medical Solutions Sock Aid Kit.